So yeah, kind of going with this meme here, that there's this myth about one governance tool to rule them all. We're seeing a lot of the discussion and dialogue around, people thinking that there is some magic solution that's going to solve for all of our decision making and coordination issues, and that's just not true. So what we're going to do is, in the next slide, and in this journey together, we're looking at it as more of a journey, which is very much unfolding, it's emergent. And in the next slide, what we're really going to do is we're going to burn our kind of overly simplistic mental models of governance, and we're going to really start to unpack the complexity that is coordinating with humans around the world that come from different cultural norms, different backgrounds, and figure out how to move beyond this very binary discussion, which is mostly focused on consensus algorithms and kind of at the protocol layer, proof of work, proof of stake. This is how a lot of people are having this discussion. So we're going to try to expand our perception in this journey together. And you can see here, we pulled this direct off Twitter. There are people just kind of saying, hey, we've solved governance, we've done it. Oh, really? So yeah, we see this kind of dialogue. So what we're trying to do here is plant the seed and also with you, build this kind of group that can go out and start to chat with a little more, I guess, depth and context about how we can have better decision making, both culturally and of course looking at what tools are appropriate. So as Jeff mentioned, some people are kind of looking at solutions first. So what we're saying here is, all right, let's flip this on its head a bit, and let's really sit with the problem. Let's understand the decisions that need to be made, and choose really the right tools and the context that can address those challenges of kind of these coordination issues or challenges. So starting from this place of curiosity, exploration, and questioning, and definitely questioning our assumptions. So when we have this kind of open design space and we're starting the build of a DAO or a decentralized community, starting with questions rather than looking at solutions first. So we're kind of naming this the decision space so that we can have this collective terminology and a frame through which to look.